Alright, let's look at loquacious, luxury, and maintenance. So, loquacious. Adjective, talks a lot. She was very loquacious last night. Talks a lot. Talks a lot. Luxury. Noun, being in great comfort that might cost a lot. Comfort. We live luxury. We live a life of luxury. Or even having something is a luxury. Not everyone has. Having something can be a luxury because not everyone might have one. So, being able to live in silence is a luxury because some people are very loquacious. So, silence. Life of luxury. Very nice. Very comfortable. Not everyone can have it. Some people do, some people don't. Simple as that. A life of luxury. How cool is that? So, adjective. We live a life of luxury. Very good. Adjective. Something very magnificent and lavish. We only buy luxury cars. Magnificent and lavish. Magnificent and lavish. Lavish, yeah. Not everyone can have one. So, for example, I use luxury suspenders. Suspenders. How cool is that? I wear luxury glasses, you could say. Glasses. I am growing a luxury beard. Does that work? A luxury beard? Maybe. 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 Not quite. Depends. Depends. Yeah. Yeah. So, maintenance. Noun. Making sure something still works and conserve it for the future. So, to maintain something for the future. To make sure it works and is still available in the future. Maintain, like to look after something. I maintain the books. I maintain the books. Keep them in good shape, good condition. I maintain my body and exercise. Exercise. Yeah. The machine needs daily maintenance. Needs daily maintenance. It needs to be looked after, cared for, repaired, oiled, fine-tuned every day. How cool is that? It needs to be looked after every day. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. So, loquacious. Luxury. And maintain. Maintain. How cool is that? Let's keep exploring.